boxes here of some goodies for the lawn. First one, not sure what's in each box. Watch out, bud. Not for you. Always got the goodies. Go-to product, Anderson's. We have our fertilizer, PGF Complete. Feed the lawn. It's my go-to fertilizer. The PGF Complete, the PGF Balance, which is a 10-10-10. Using that for, gosh, for a year or two now. It's been awesome to work with.